How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having the most wonderful day. Great news here in Camaro Timeville. I got a job, yay! But let's get to the purposes of this video, and that would be mail time. Now hopefully you'll hear me. The wind's a little breezy today, but I can't complain. 94 degrees and a little wind never hurts anybody. What's in this box? I'll get to it in just a second, but let me please explain. Whenever I first started doing YouTube, you don't know what it's going to entail, what's going to happen, But as you start commenting on other people's videos, well, they start returning the favor. They start re-commenting on your videos. And then you kind of build friendships with some of them, and then whenever you go through rough times or just because, they send you stuff. And one of the main things with doing YouTube, and it depends on what quality you want, right? You gotta have a good camera, good audio. What you're watching me on now is the GoPro 5 Hero Black Edition. And then sometimes I'll use my Canon 7D. Takes awesome photos just as the GoPro does, and it takes pretty good video. But the problem is both of these cameras, the audio sucks. Now later on for the channel, I'm going to buy me a recorder that I can hide under my shirt and my pants with a microphone that comes up. But for now I have the Saramonic, the little Saramonic microphone, which you can see in the description. But it's plugged into the GoPro. But as you see, this all it has is the little factory microphone, which is right there. Right there. As long as you're within 2 feet of it, it sounds great. After that, it sucks. So that brings us back to the box. And what I mentioned earlier. And what I mentioned earlier was community friendships and stuff like that. Brian, Mojave KY, and I'll put a link to everything down there for him, was gracious enough to send me a private message on another forum, another site that we belong to. And he said that he had gotten a new something in the mail. He had gotten a new something for Father's Day and asked if I could use this one. So we worked out a deal, and he sent me his old one. So what is that? Well, I've already cut it open. I'm not gonna lie to you. I knew what was in it, but I already cut it open for the purposes of the video. Let me show you what it is. And this was super thoughtful that he sent me this, because he didn't have to. He could have kept it for himself or put it on eBay or sold it to a neighbor or a friend or whatever. But look, I'm gonna be saving those. Dinosaurs. But what's in the box? He put it in nice bubble wrap for me so it wouldn't get messed up, flop around and everything. But I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Now this is not the powered version, which is great because I don't have to worry about batteries at this time. But here we go. It is a Rode VideoMic Go recorder. Does not use batteries. But what it does, it simply goes on a hot shoe, and I may end up using this with the GoPro too. I'll just have to buy me the little metal frame that the GoPro goes in, so it'll have a hot shoe mount. But all it does, slides into the hot shoe on your camera like so. You tighten it down, and then around on the side, there's a little 3.5mm jack right there that you plug it into. That's simple. You're ready to go. Now, with it being non-battery operated or non-powered, you still have to talk in a loud voice if you're far away, but it is a lot better than the native audio. Like right now, how I'm talking to you and everything, it's so much better than the native audio. You don't get all that background noise and all that. You don't have to sit here and holler at the camera to get it, which is what I was wanting anyway. Like I said, it's not so big that it would look real funny on my GoPro, so I'll probably be switching this to that. Well, actually using it in between, but that's as I get money further down the road for purposes like that. But I just thought it was super cool for Mojave KY, Brian. Like I said, I'll put all his info down below. I thought it was super cool for him to send that to me. I mean, he didn't have to. He contacted me. So Brian, a big heart, warm felt thank you. I really do appreciate it. I'll pay it forward, I promise. But until next time, guys, check him out. Check out Brian. He's got some super cool content. He's got a Silverado truck. He's got a Camaro. His son's got a Mustang. And it's not just Camaro related stuff. Like I said, it's Ford, truck, and detailing. Just all kind of great content on his channel. So please be sure to check him out. I know you'll find something you like. Until next time, you guys get out there and drive your car. And we will see you next video. Thank you so much for watching.